Tukirana goika ase county ya Kisii mwanjwa omurigereri nigo abasae bagenda gosamigwa kubwa mono igoro yeganga yokwemukia chikosi cy'obubundi amono buja buraroro kubwatakana na mono buna abasae abange nigo bagenda gochengera amatemu a KCSE ayo nyara kobaga gosoka eikiyaita asabange banyaka baga kolibuya gagukwana na Getembe omoteneri bwe skuru y'obubundi ya Nyaure aserieta auka mugambi liganyara kobaga koboli abasae na kobayana kelebuna baise koira chikosi cy'obubundi nigo baranyaka bagwe konya asobogoma bwabo bole bosio mulikito diponi asanya na mange
Chingaki serikali ya Kenya kwanza agenderete kuikirania omurobulio bwokonyora chikosi cy'obubundi ase chipolitechnic ya Getembe nigo bono abiboli bagenderete kuboligwa kwena libaga gucha sabana babo libanyale kwenyorera chikosi echiga cy'amagoko chibakonye amatukankyo.
Thing about skill based education is that a skill will be able to feed you. Hata ukiwa na another career, like I always say, Professor Getembe was the Attorney General of this country, but he likes saying one of the skills that he acquired when he was young, from after finishing high school, was tailoring and dressmaking. He's a tailor and a dressmaker plus a lawyer.
Asomurobelio OKCB Foundation bakubwaterana ne county government ya Kisii insiyo mugavana Paul Simbarati nigabaro kigwa gwetaniel bweyemo bagenderete kwenyorera libagarikija asogoswa chiskuru cy'obubundi ao
nomo ko monene asengenjo ya KCB Foundation ya lenga ndu bali twabe successful kwanda uchi university tigatonyora kabaga ito nto sase kosi chiga cy'amaboko cyangwa toko cyo
ugo tanyora grade yo kogende university tariororo omwerio bubugima nigo aborokigwa bange bagenderete kurwanerera magimabo asokonyora amaigero y'echikosi cy'obubundi.
Kama mimi Hesbon, wakati nilikuwa high school nilikuwa nataka kuwa daktari, but sasa wakati niliingia hapa nikakuja kusoma for plumbing.
Nilifanya course ya masonry and building and construction. Nikiwa high school kwa natamani kuwa engineer, so succeed. Nikaona badala ya kukaa nje acha nikuja hapa nitafute course ya building.
Pia nikiwa high school nilikuwa natamani kwenda university lakini si succeed. Sasa nikaona baada ya kukaa nje niende nitafute kitu ya kufanya kama hii ya electrical.
Ugo ikirana nogo kina wense go ikakubwaterane no konyora amaigelio y'echikosi cy'obubundi. Icho kiranyare kogera ense sukebosyo.
The country wants to get the Vision 2030. One of the impending things that can stop Vision 2030, we can build the factories, but if we don't have the people working in those factories,
korengana na barokigwa bweni go bakwereranga gasitejo irenge mwana munyaruka gosumwa mumura
kitengeneza ndoa wasichana ili kosi ya masonry si ya wanaume peke yake, pia wasichana wanaweza fanya na ni kosi nzuri kuna pesa.
Nonyana bo abantu nigo baboligwe ko rusie birengererie bibe inga bali bagenderete kogenda se skuru cy'obubundia tibali bangencho ase ekenyoro.
The biggest challenge here is stigmatization, and people tend to think people coming to vocational training centers are failures. But that is a very bad ideology that should be eradicated within our society. Skills are very important. Like now, if you just look in your own home, kila mtu anakalia sofa set. How much do you buy that sofa set? Kitengeneza moja, the cost to sell that one is enough salary ya mtu ameketi kwa ofisi for whole month.